How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy01 here. Do you want to provide extra support to the ThunderBuddy01 Media Network? Do you have extra cash lying around? Become an official ThunderBuddy superfan today. For just $2.99 a month, you'll get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy01 himself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the top of the description, or the blue join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell.
Attention all units. We have a code 6 party failing to stop for police. Supervisor requesting units on non-priority calls. Switch over to tab 2 and monitor the chase.
This is a test of the NWR radio warning alarm device for WXM80. We activate this alarm for the following counties in Connecticut: Litchfield, Fairfield, New Haven and Hartford, in New York, Dutchess and Putnam, and in Massachusetts, Berkshire and Hampton. This has been an alarm test. This is the National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station code 35 from New York City. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: in Southeast New York, Bronx, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester; in Northern and Central New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren; and in Southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test. Here is the Air Quality Index forecast from state environmental agencies. The New York City forecast Air Quality Index is 55. This is moderate. The New York, New Jersey forecast Air Quality Index is 60. This is moderate. The coastal water forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey wind getting likely north out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect until 1 p.m. this afternoon. For this afternoon, northwest winds pushing to 20 knots with gusts along to 25 knots, becoming west 10 to 15 knots. To 3 to 5 miles. For tonight, west winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Seas 2 to 3 knots. For Thursday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. National Weather Service forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Today, sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. 70s. West wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Gusts up to 20 miles per hour in the evening. Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning, then cloudy with showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: on Long Island in southeast New York, Nassau in Suffolk, and in southern Connecticut, Fairfield, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. Once again, this was only a test. Current risk in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. For Thursday, current risk moderate. Surf heights 3 to 4 feet. Thunderstorm potential moderate. A chance of showers and a slight.
Alright, so bet y'all weren't expecting a at-home POV catch either. So, I missed the recording of the public information statement, but I guess WXM80 had some updates that needed to be ran, and that postponed the weekly test to now. So, I genuinely am not going to try and figure out which radios went off on WXJ42 or KWO35. I think the running snail went off from WWH33, or at least that version of the running snail. But as far as radios that went off on WXM80, that would be those four here. Both 400s that are here. 74200, 253, the Vector, 300 version 8, the R500. All these radios back here went off. That one's on KWO35. The two 120s here that are on WXM80, this one and that one, both went off. The 300s that are on WXM80 went off, the V1, the V5, and the 301. Those two are, actually, this is on WXJ42, and this is on also WXJ42, same with the 991. As far as radios over here, I think that was just a false decode. That one I think activated for 1050, I don't know. The WX150 went off, the Honeywell. Of course, the 262 decided not to go off. The 996 and the SFA 1150 are both on KWO35. The 258 went off on WXM80, I believe, as well. Yep. 1650A went off as a 6-hour event. 608 went off. 603 went off as a 12-hour event, because I guess that's what RWT's decode as now. These radios down here went off. This activated for 6 hours. The black and silver did not. Neither black and silver went off, actually. The V3 and all my V5 WR100s went off, as you can kind of tell. If I angle it up like that, yeah. The running snails both predictably crashed. So let me just fix the date and time. Yeah, that 400 was on KW035, same thing with the WX200. Let's see. The FR800 was also on KW035. So let me just fix this. The the 74210 activated from normally, surprisingly. Okay, either this was scrolling from last week and no message glitch. Lovely. 1650D went off. The lacrosse went off.
Showers. Flows around 70.
The Emerson went off. And the zone guard activated for 1050 and just did not continue to activate. And the 382 failed.
Here in the evening, then becoming partly...
Alright, so I'm going to compile all these tests together and I'll get a video out.